If you forget your Windows 11 password, don't worry. In this video I will show you how to reset a forgotten password in Windows 11. Press and hold the Shift key, then restart your PC. Release the Shift key when the PC logo appears on the monitor. Now click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Now type Notepad here. Press the Enter button. Click on the file. Click Open. Click on this PC. Go to your C drive. Go to Windows Files. Go to the System32 folder. Select all files. Find Utilman from here. Right-click on Utilman and rename it. Press the Enter button after changing the name. Now search for CMD from here. Right-click on CMD and click on Rename. Type Utilman and then press Enter. Now close it. Click Turn off your PC. Turn on your PC again. Now go to Accessibility. Now type NetUser here. Press Enter. You can see my username here. Now type here NetUser, your username space then found. Press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Now type Exit here. Press Enter. Click Submit now. Windows 11 is now unlocked. Now restore the file names to their original state. Now you can set a new password for your Windows 11.